This is the moment the Ukrainian forces allegedly took out some 25 Russian soldiers in the battle for Soledar. Ukraine has claimed it decimated an entire enemy military unit in the salt mining town with a single Himars, a missile launcher mounted on a 5-ton truck. Footage shared on Telegram shows troops claimed to be from the Wagner group walking past rail tracks to find cover at a large building. Moments later, the entire building can be seen blown up in pieces by the missile. Smoke billowed into the air afterwards as a fire raged at the site where seconds earlier enemy soldiers were seeking shelter. Tracking of a Russian military unit and subsequent Himars/M270 strike at their location, Eastern Front, the Post read. Soledar, in eastern Ukraine, has become the center of some of the fiercest fighting in recent weeks. The Kremlin claims to have captured the town, already disputed by the Ukrainian government, but holding it may be another matter. Donetsk governor, Pavlo Kirilenko, said on Thursday the situation was difficult and that Russian troops were advancing from various directions. He stressed that the enemy had sustained a large number of casualties, including members of the Wagner mercenary group. Soledar remains under control of our military, though there is street fighting and also fighting outside of the city because the enemy is trying to advance in several directions. The enemy is incurring huge losses, he said in a video on Telegram. A video from yesterday morning shows a Ukrainian flag rising over the western part of Soledar. This comes after Yevgeny Prigozhin, Wagner's founder, boasted yesterday of his forces' victory in the town. He likely seeks to use the victory as a bargaining tool to elevate his authority in Russia. The battle for Soledar became a point of contention between the private military group and the Russian Ministry of Defense over who should get the credit. Military experts have said Soledar itself is of little strategic importance for Russia. But the town has gained political significance as part of the objective to capture the entire Donetsk region. Military analysts question the strategic value of Soledar or nearby Bakhmut, which has also been the site of some of the most intense fighting in the war in recent weeks. Still, a Russian advance would be welcome news for the Kremlin following a string of embarrassing setbacks and Russian forces being unable to capture a single town in Ukraine since July 2022. Amid the push on the ground, the battles for both locales have killed thousands of soldiers on each side. Ukrainian command suggests any Russian gains on the Eastern Front would be a Pyrrhic victory due to how difficult it would be for Moscow to hold on to any advances following such heavy losses. Our task is to make the enemy exhausted, Nazarenko said. Bakhmut and the Bakhmut direction were a kind of trap for the enemy. Sooner or later, they will run out of steam, they say.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.